Within the intricate landscape of oil production, companies face challenges extracting every drop of oil and gas from their fields. Many struggle to locate untapped reserves, limiting their overall extraction efficiency. Introducing CNPS, pioneers in cutting-edge enhanced oil recovery EOR technology and solutions. With years of expertise, we understand the crucial need to maximize oil reserves and extend the life of oil fields. Our EOR technology offers 3 effective techniques: injecting gases, steam pumping, and fire flooding. The benefits are substantial, from maximizing recovered reserves to increasing land recovery factors. But that's not all. Our in-field experts, engineers, and technicians further enhance your extraction procedures by utilizing services like OCTG and mud lodging, ensuring a comprehensive solution tailored to your project's unique needs. Let's make your project a resounding success.